guided relaxation. Find a comfortable place, lying on the floor, reclining, allowing your weight to be carried by Mother Earth. Your spine in natural alignment and your head in one line. The shoulders relaxed away from the ears and the arms and hands in a comfortable position. Allow your lower back to have its natural curve and your legs to relax out of your hip joints, relaxing the groins, down your thighs, knees. Allow space in your knee joints. Relax your shin bones, your calves. Down your Achilles tendon, relax into your ankle joint. Allowing space in the ankle joint. And relaxing down into your feet, your heels, arches, balls of the feet and toes. From your groins upward, relax into your pelvic basin. Relax your bony pelvic, your glutes at the back, relax. And the organs in your pelvic, relax too. Space in your pelvic basin, openness, relaxation. Relax upwards into your abdominal cavity. The front around your navel, relax. And then the back, your lower back, relax too. In your abdominal cavity, relax your abdominal organs. Relax around your abdominal organs. Inside your abdominal organs. Relax the entire abdominal cavity. Move up with your awareness into your chest, relaxing in your chest. The front, your sternum and collarbones, front ribs, relax. And in the back, your ribs, your thoracic spine, your shoulder blades, relax. Inside your chest, relax your heart that beautifully serves you 24/7. Soften in that heart. Allow the heart to extend. And relax all in that chest cavity. Your heart is connected down via fascia to your diaphragm. So when you breathe down into your lower lungs, natural breath, that heart beautifully rides with the diaphragmatical breathing, with the rhythm of the diaphragm. So gently inviting that breath down into your lower lungs and feel that rhythm, relaxing these lower lungs and the space underneath. Softening it forward and backward, sidewards. Relaxing the entire chest cavity, the base, the sides, the front, the back. Relaxing up into the shoulder girdle and out from the shoulder joints into your upper arms, into your elbows. Create space into your elbows. Relax your forearms, your wrists, and relax into your palms. Beautiful, relaxed palms that extend the relaxation out into the thumbs, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Feel your chest, shoulders, arms, and hands to the tip of your fingers relaxed. Relax up into your neck, the back of the neck, the front, the sides of the neck. And then create a sense of openness and relaxation inside your neck, for your thyroid, for your vocal box. And relax that junction between your cervical spine and your skull. Relax at the top of your spine. From there, relax into your jaws, soften there. Soften your ears. Relax the channel inward from your ears. And from your jaw, relax down the jawline to your lips, relaxing your lips, relaxing your teeth, relaxing your tongue and the base of your mouth, the tip of the tongue, the middle of the tongue, and the back of the tongue relaxed. Creating a spacious feeling in the mouth, relaxed, wide open, cave. From there, relax your cheeks, your temples, relax your eyeballs into their sockets. Feel the gentle touch of your moist eyelids, comfortably closing the eyes. Relax all around your eyes, the front of the eyes and the back of the eyes, the top of the eyes and the bottom of the eyes. All around the eyes relax, and inside the eyeballs relax. Relax your eyebrows and the spot between the eyebrows. Relax your forehead, the top of the head, and the back of the head. Inside your head, relax your brain to the bony boundaries of your skull. Wide, relaxed, internal space in your head. Relax the center of your head. Soften there. And from the center of the head, drop down to the center of the heart. Relax your heart space. Calm, peaceful heart space. Wide, relaxed, open heart space. Inviting inner calm and kind into the heart space. soft, gentle, open heart space. Calm, blissful, joyful heart space. Relaxed, peaceful heart space.